How to remove a Microsoft account from Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm here to guide you on how to remove a Microsoft account from Windows 11 in an easy way. So do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch your PC or laptop. From the desktop, click on Settings at bottom left corner of the screen and then search for the settings. Now click open button at right corner of the screen. This will help you open the settings on your Windows 11. On the left panel, you have to locate accounts and click on accounts. Now as you can see, we have sign in with a Microsoft account on our Windows 11. So in order to remove a Microsoft account, simply go ahead, scroll down and under account settings, locate your info. Click on your info and this will help you to land on the section. So in order to remove or a Microsoft account, you have to go and switch the Windows 11 account to a local account. This will keep all of your files which is you have got on your computer. You are simply just making it into an account which is just on your computer. So click stop signing into all Microsoft apps automatically. And once you click on it, a box will appear on the screen like this. You have to wait for a while and then you have to sign in to your Microsoft account first. Once you sign in, again a box or a mini box will appear where you have to enter all your local account information and then you need to sign out from this Microsoft account. Once you sign out, you will be easily sign in to your local account and your Microsoft account will be removed from your Windows 11. So that was quite easy and simple. I hope this video worked. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.